Aloha and welcome to HSPLS Creates. This is Miss Jennifer and I am a librarian with the Hawaii State Public Library System. Today, I am going to show you how to make a fun and colorful yarn tassel garland. Here are the supplies you will need. Yarn in the colors of your choice, a scrap piece of cardboard, and scissors. This craft is appropriate for all ages as long as you are safely able to use a pair of scissors, but Keiki, be sure to get your grown-ups' permission before starting this project. To begin, cut your piece of cardboard about an inch longer than you'd like your finished tassels to be. For reference, I cut mine about 4 inches long. The width of your cardboard should be at least twice the size of what you'd like your finished tassels to be. You want to be sure to have enough room to wrap the yarn. Next, start wrapping the yarn around the cardboard with an even tension. It doesn't have to be exact, but if you count the number of wraps you make, it will help keep your tassels around the same size. Of course, if you want more of a variety, you can eyeball the thickness you like. I ended up wrapping the yarn about 40 times. End with the yarn at the bottom, then cut. Now we are going to tie off the tassel. Take another piece of yarn and thread it through the top. I like to leave the cardboard in place because I find it easier to catch all of the yarn under it. Tie it loosely once, but don't knot it yet. Cut the bottom loops to release the tassel from the cardboard. Then tighten the top and knot it securely. If this is difficult for you, ask a friend to help you. A second pair of hands can make a big difference. Leave the tie long. You will use it to attach the tassel to your garland. Next, we will tie what I call the head of the tassel. This can be whatever length you want. Fold the yarn bundle in half and wrap another piece of yarn around the bundle at the neck and knot it securely. If you want to neaten the end of the tassel, hold it in one hand and carefully use your scissors to trim the bottom of the tassel to even it out. Keiki, you may need an adult to help you with this step. Repeat these steps to make as many tassels as you want. For the garland, you can use any type of yarn, twine, cord, or ribbon that you'd like. If you want to decorate a specific area, be sure to measure out the length of the garland you need so that you don't make it too short. Then, tie the tassels onto your garland. Your finished garland is ready to hang. You can easily customize this garland by changing the colors, length, or size of your tassels. You can even add yarn pom-poms. Check out the video description below for a link to our HSPLS Creates Pom-Pom tutorial with Mr. Nick to learn how. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time! If you make your own garland and share on social media, please tag the Hawaii State Public Library System. We'd love to see your creations. Ahui ho!